ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നമുക്കൊരു PC എങ്ങനെ വീട്ടിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കാം എന്നാണ് ഇന്ന് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് മേടിക്കുന്നതിൻ്റെ പകുതി വിലയ്ക്ക് നമുക്ക് അതേ പവറിലൊരു PC നമുക്ക് വീട്ടിലുണ്ടാക്കാം. അതിൻ്റെ മദർ ബോർഡും മേടിക്കുക, അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെയുള്ള എല്ലാ കമ്പോണൻസും മേടിക്കുക, അതെല്ലാം നമുക്ക് ഓൺലൈനിൽ കിട്ടും. പിന്നെ അതെങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം എന്നുള്ള ഗൈഡ് ലൈനും അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ തന്നെ വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അത് നോക്കി നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. നല്ല പവർഫുള്ളായിട്ടുള്ള ഗെയിമിങ്ങിനും അതുപോലെ എഡിറ്റിങ്ങിനൊക്കെ പറ്റിയ നല്ല ഒരു ഡെസ്ക്ടോപ്പ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ നമുക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാക്കാം.
PC Building 101 with Edwin Saji, Paul Warki, Rasmi Mohammed and Kevin Shibu. Hello.
Now you can
Probably needs brother.
Come on.
I'd like to shout out my parents.
Thanks, man.
I'm Mama, Appa Bachchan.
How do we go? Anyone to shout out?
Well, I like to shout out my PC
Okay.
that I'm about to build.
Come on. You should get some slow moving B-roll.
Let's get a be real.
Oh yeah. Oh, I think I did buy it on time today.
That golden triangle needs to line up.
You'll get all four corners on the processor. This right here is the indicator.
This is a new socket. I've not seen that.
I think it's the exact same.
No, it's not.
You close it up and then you pull the tab right down. Right?
I've seen it where the
Okay,
plastic comes up.
Yeah, that comes up. That's it. Yeah, he's already done
Yeah,
it.
so just
Oh, yeah.
close it.
He literally skipped the most important step. Yeah, the tab should
Yeah,
come
put
up.
some tension.
Oh, jeez.
Peel off first.
There you go.
Jeez.
Hey!
There you go.
Jeez, it's in.
The beast.
So, unboxing the SSD.
But
This is a Samsung 1TB SSD with 980 Pro with boost your gaming performance, unstoppable speed. How do you feel about that?
I feel unstoppable.
Damn, wise words.
Okay, you can remove this and this last screw.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's get this.
Right here.
when you take these off,
I'm keeping every single piece of paper like.
hit them with a
That's a half-inch one. I don't know if you need to take that one out though.
Because mine's, it's not that long.
Yeah, that's it.
So,
funding for sure. Then
does it clip?
It just should go in. Yeah.
There we go, yeah. And then,
Installation of the SSD.
there we go.
Jesus, like that?
And then,
That does not look right.
we got
is it not?
DDR5, 32 gigs.
So the
RAM, some of them might have a little
SSD
plastic
is in place.
like this right here. You
Samsung
don't wanna do
1TB.
that. That's not good. This is how I build the computer.
Now we've got the
Can insert that
Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM being ripped open.
My preference. That's what I like to do. You guys are welcome to do it however you want. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, sure.
We'll just do it like.
For some
So
reason,
that's, I'm just put it in lightly.
Yeah.
And this one.
The motherboard on the back, and you just did that. Okay.
So, slot number 2 and slot number 4.
So, yeah,
And then,
it's like a little
okay, 3, 2,
Pressure.
unscrew the peg,
Don't do them both at the same time. Don't do them both at the same time.
measure your holders to where
Okay.
That's it.
take these over.
One.
Oh, that's scary, like. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, that's
Ram's installed.
Bro, that was putting so much pressure on that.
I know it's meant
Jesus
to.
Christ.
അങ്ങനെ റാം നമ്മള്
RAM is in.
ബോർഡിൽ അറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
നല്ല കളറായി വരും.
Yes.
Okay, what's next?
32 GB.
So this is the cooler that we're using. It's an Arctic freezer 34, not 34. Okay,
How much did you spend on this bad boy?
that's classified.
Okay, now the Malayalam one.
I don't know what the Malayalam for classified is.
എന്റെ സുന്ദരമായ ഫാനാണിത്. So we've taken apart the PC, as you can see.
Oh,
Comes with 2 fans already installed.
magnetic.
Okay,
So we've decided to move up the slots for the SSD to better utilize the I/O here. How do you feel about that one, Ed?
I think it's the best of both worlds because you get the aesthetic of that nice little heat shield,
Yes.
and it also shows off the Samsung one as well.
So this is
and
a
in
bit.
the future, I can get the new 5th gen one in if I wanted. There's a free spot there.
Yeah, great moves, good moves. This one was a bit more fiddly to work out because we had to get a stand to make the.
But they
SSD
give you a little clip thing that you put into here and you just slot it in and slide the clip in. So yeah.
Bish bash bosh.
Indeed.
On the guide,
So
just
we
to say,
install
the guy
the
puts it
stands
on
that.
On here.
On here. What? This is how he does it.
I mean, we could put most of it on here and a little bit on here.
What?
If it was fit on the wrong way.
So the cooler is
Can I
on.
just say one OCD thing that I've just noticed about this?
What?
The Arctic logo is on the upside down.
I do not care.
Where?
No, because when this goes inside here, this logo is going to go upside down.
Oh, so it should have been the other way around.
No, this.
Except you only get a picture
It's
of the
like
front.
this, you know.
This should have been
Wait,
this.
let me
way.
do the.
Okay, now it's ready to put into the case.
So we fit the motherboard into the PC, so it now rests in the PC. It's looking very nice.
Amma palagittu.
Amma palaga, right? Right, now we're gonna fix it in and we'll get back to it.
They're not in.
Yo, and that's the PC.
It's not secure.
That the part.
I feel like it will fall out.
But how do you tighten the threaded ones?
Fan.
Huh?
How do you tighten the threaded ones? You can't tighten them anymore.
No, there's the back plate and stuff you need to add.
Okay. So we have installed the graphics card. RTX 4090. So pretty much the PC is assembled. Now it's just the nightmare of cable management.
Yeah, it's so fun, bro. Yeah, that's everything that the motherboard needs.
Right, so this is the moment of truth.
It should be this, right? Unknown.
We're gonna stick it into HDMI.
His first PC. Oh! Yes! You got a light!
Oh!
This needs to come on now.
Okay,
What's the
we've got lights.
so?
Sauce, yeah.
Check device power. You good?
It should give you the
It's a
option.
PC on TV.
Yeah, go on.
Windows PC.
That's a Windows PC, isn't
This is tense.
it? Okay, this is. Also, I
Press
did not
down,
realize
press
that
the
your
down button.
your
Yeah.
GPU has RGB.
Oh yeah.
That's lit. That is so. Ah! You did it!
What did
you
it
did
say?
it!
What did it
says your CPU's been installed. It's coming. It's coming through.
Okay, we need a keyboard.
Yes! Come on! Yay!
Yes.
Go team!
Right, it's like them rocket launches.
We've got it now to set up the BIOS.
Nice.
Oh,
Teamwork,
it's
guys!
black and white though.
Come on!
Is that supposed to be like
Yeah,
that?
it's
Probably
meant
the
to be.
So we've pretty much hooked on the PC. I'm gonna take this HDMI off.
Just remove the HDMI to the TV.
So we've set up all the software and stuff. This is what it looks like, fully built. So that's your cooler, GPU, the RAM sticks are there, and processor is underneath the cooler. You have all your fans and the power, PSU. ഇത് ഗ്രാഫിക്സ് കാർഡ്, ഇത് കൂളർ, ഇത് റാം, ഇവിടെയാണ് പവർ സപ്ലൈ, ഇവിടെ കുറച്ച് ഫാനുണ്ട് കൂളിങ്ങിന് വേണ്ടി. ഈ കൂളർ CPU-നാണ്. അതെല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞു. TV കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയർ അപ്ഡേറ്റ് വിൻഡോസും എല്ലാം ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്ത ഡ്രൈവേഴ്സ് എല്ലാം അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. അപ്പം അതെല്ലാം ചെയ്തു. ഇനി ഈ പാനലും ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ കുറച്ച് കേബിളൊക്കെ കുറച്ച് ഒതുക്കി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. പുറകിൽ കുറച്ച് കേബിൾ ടൈ ഒക്കെ വെച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒതുക്കി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, എല്ലാം നീറ്റായി നന്നായിട്ട് ഇരിക്കാൻ പാകത്തിന്. ഇനി ഈ ബാക്ക് പ്ലേറ്റും ഫ്രണ്ടിലുള്ള ആ പാനലും വെച്ചാൽ സാധനം റെഡിയായി. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ അതാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പം ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഈ റെക്കോർഡിംഗ് okay, I need screws to these ones here. That's it. Paul, do you want to bring it round?
You can do
Should I do it?
the peeling.
Oh yeah, that's true actually. It can go either way, right?
No, there's the peel is on this side.
Oh, but like this way.
I will check you.
No, you'll have to check it.
No, it's only 1 minute.
അപ്പോൾ ഇതിന് ഈ ചില കമ്പോണൻസിന് RGB ലൈറ്റിംഗ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അത് ഓൺ ആക്കുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് കാണാം. Do I need to hold it down? There we go.
Okay.
Look at that. Yeah, and that's the PC, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you very much.